The first step, open the Picsart application. Then select the image that we will use as the background. And select Add Photo.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step.
Then, erase it manually on the background, using the eraser tool. In this video, I use a hard eraser.
From London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
We're going to make this photo black and white. Choose Adjustment, then adjust the light, shadow, saturation, and contrast, so that it becomes black and white. Then, add a flames effect, so that it looks like burning on the photo. Select the sticker icon. Then, type flames effect in the search field.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to
Set the sticker size, and place it on the photo.
all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
The next step, delete the part of the sticker that is not needed, so that the photo and sticker look together.
Is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire.
So that result look blended, I changed the blend mode from normal to lighten. But, you can choose as you wish.
Temptation within. suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
Click check when finished. Click draw, and add a shadow effect with a brush. Choose black color and set the opacity to 45. Set the size to 70, opacity to 26, hardness to 0, and click zoom ability. Add a shadow effect. Then, do the same thing to add highlights effect. Click layer, and select empty layer. Set it to add mode. Then set opacity to 50. And choose white color. Save the project in JPG format. Reopen the Picsart application. Open the project that we have saved. Choose draw, and let's create a glow effect between the fire and the subject. Add an empty layer, and do it this way, the same as when adding the highlights effect. Save the project in JPG format. project that we have saved. Add photos to make the poster more attractive. Use background eraser, and it will automatically erase the background. If you don't find this tool, you can remove the background manually. Add shadows effects, highlights, and glow effects. Do you like the first photo? When finished, save the photo, and select the Lightroom icon. Open the Lightroom application, and start editing. This poster is actually finished. I just set simple settings in Lightroom, just to add a little contrast and sharpness.